Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen. We'll first read the lesson. All of y'all can see my screen? Thumbs up? Okay. So now we will read the lesson and then we'll have a small revision after that. Okay. So I want each of y'all to read parawise and come. Okay. And I will call your name now. Who wants to read? You can raise your hand. Okay, Kirtana. Yes, Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can read the first paragraph, a cell.
The red one, ma'am.
In the textbook, page 23. Can you see my... Sorry?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You can see a screen, but the red one line is there. That one?
Yes, yes. Yes, correct.
A call is the smallest part of the
A cell.
A cell is the smallest part of
or unit
of the body. Human body is made of
millions of cells.
Millions of cells make called together.
Many cells together.
Any cells together
make a tissue.
Make a tissue. Many different tissue together from organ contain organs together from
and certain organs
and certain organ
together
from a
particular system. Okay, thank you, Kirtana. Now I'll ask Jared. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Yes. Can you read from respiratory? When I stop you, might be you can stop till the second paragraph, internal. Okay? Yeah. All of you are, please make sure you are following when your friends are reading. Yes, yes, you can continue.
Respiratory system. Skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, circular system, and
excretory system.
Excretory system are some of the organ systems of our body.
Okay.
Human body is made up of many organs that do different kinds of work. These are known as their functions. Based on their location, organs can be of two types: external and international.
Okay, thank you.
External.
Thank you. Thank you, Jill. Advai? Yes. You can read the next two paragraphs. Or
Some organs can be seen with our eyes. They are called external organs.
Okay.
Our sense organs such as eyes, nose, ears, and skin are examples of external organs. The organs which cannot be seen with our eyes as they are located inside our body are called internal organs.
Okay.
These include brain, lungs, heart, stomach, bile, etc. Liver, etc.
Okay.
Internal organs are generally soft and delicate.
Okay, soft and delicate.
Some internal organs such as brain, lungs, and heart are protected by bones.
Okay, so this is what we are learning. This is our new chapter, isn't it? We all started a new chapter. I know yesterday there was some problem with the video, but somehow we managed to post it. Okay, so we are learning about our own human body. So human body are made up of many organs and also organ systems. And there are two types. There is internal organs, which you can't see with your eyes. Can you see your heart? No, no. Can all of y'all see your heart? No. Can you see your food pipe? No, you know that you have a throat, isn't it? So these are the internal organs that we can't see. What are the external organs you can see? Let me see who will tell me this. What are the external organs that you can see? Okay, Abhya? Yes. Yes, Abhya.
Ma'am, hands, legs.
Okay, hands, legs. Okay, very good. Okay, so your eyes, your hands, your legs, everything that you can see on the outside are your external organs. Okay, and see, internal organs are soft and delicate. So that is why they always say make sure your heart, your lungs, your brains, and all of this is kept safely. Okay, because if something happens and if you don't eat healthy, you might have to go to the hospital. Okay, so all of these is protected by the bones that is inside our body. Okay, moving on. Let's read the internal organs. I want somebody to read the brain. We'll go one by one. Who wants to read? I saw somebody raising their hand. Okay, Daksh. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
No, not no. One second. I asked Daksh. Okay, I'll ask you in some time. Yes.
Let us read about
Yes. Continue.
Let us read about location of the
And
funds
functions of some.
of some important internal organs. Brain is a location inside the head and protected
By the skull.
By the
Skull.
By the skull, it helps us to think in the sense.
It sends messages.
It sends messages to different parts of the body to do.
And tells what to do. Okay, thank you, Daksh. Okay, so the brain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can mute yourself. Okay, the brain, like we said. Okay, the brain, like we said, is it controls everything that is in your body. Now, when you want to get up and go somewhere, you know, your body sends a signal to your brain and your brain understands and sends the message to your brain and you move. So this is how your brain controls your whole body. Now, if you want to shake your head when I ask, is this the correct answer? So you understand that it is the correct answer. So the brain sends you a signal and you nod or you show a thumbs up. So that's why when I speak, you are able to understand because your brain is constantly working. You know, all your organs, you know, it can't work on its own. It's all like a team. Now, if you have a team of 10 of y'all who are playing a game, so all of y'all join together, you plan and you play, isn't it? So that's how your body is, as how God has made it. It all works as a team. There's nothing which can work on its own. So the brain is the first internal organ and it controls everything that happens in our whole body. Okay, and it is protected by this kind of a protector on your head, and this is known as the skull. What is it known as? Skull. Okay, so this is about the brain. Now let's go to heart. I want somebody to read heart. Who wants to read? Okay, Jonathan. Yes, ma'am. Yes, can you read heart? Yeah.
Heart, ma'am?
Yes. It lies
on the left side of the chest.
Chest cavity.
Yeah. Chest cavities. It pumps blood to various organs of the body, blood is carried through blood vessels.
Okay, thank you, Jonathan. Okay, so this heart, our heart, can all of y'all touch the left side of your chest? I want to see, I can see all of y'all, even though my camera is not working. Yeah, so that is where your heart is. Now, all of y'all close your fist. Close one of your fist, either your left or right hand. Yeah, so now you know this is the size of your heart. That how it looks on the inside. Okay, so this heart is located almost to the left side of your chest, and it is the size of your fist. See, my fist can be little bigger because I am, little bigger than you, and your age is little small. So you can see your fist and you will know how the size of your heart looks on the inside. Okay, and this heart, it pumps blood and it goes through all your body. You know what happens if there is no pumping of blood in your heart? Then you'll have to go to the hospital, and there's something known as stent. Okay, I'm telling you this for your information. So they push it through, your nerves or your veins, and then it goes and it creates a small opening, and then the blood comes in and goes out. Okay, why I'm telling you this is because I experienced, because recently my father had to go to the hospital. So that is how I came to know that there is a block in the heart where the blood stops flowing, where the blood can stop flowing from your heart to the other parts of the body. So this is an information for both you and me. Even I didn't know this about the heart. Okay, so now moving on, let's go to the stomach and intestine. Let's read stomach and intestine. Who will read? All of y'all want to read. Okay, Amaya? Yes, Amaya. Yes, you can read.
We eat food through our mouth. It passes through the food pipe, then reaches the stomach. From the instance,
From the stomach, it further
enters the small intestine.
Okay.
And then the large intestine,
the
stomach and the intestines are located
inside
our
abdomen.
Okay,
and
form a part of our digestive system.
Okay,
these organs break down food into simpler substances with the help of
digestive
fluid that our body can use. This process is called digestion.
Okay, thank you. So, the digestion starts from your mouth and goes all the way to the intestine. Okay, so that's why when you start to chew your food, your mom always asks you, isn't it? Are you chewing your food? Chew your food properly, because that's the beginning of digestion. So as it goes down, it goes through many organs. It doesn't just directly go to your stomach. It goes through your food pipe, then it goes to the stomach, then it goes to the small intestine, then the large intestine. So this is how digestion takes place. And all the things that you don't need in your body, it all comes out through waste. Okay, so that is something which was not able to digest, and few particles in your body or whatever you have eaten, that doesn't digest. So all of that comes out because that is not needed for our body. Okay, moving on, we have 7 minutes. We'll try and finish. Okay, kidneys. Who wants to read kidney? Okay, Preetham. Yes, Preetham. Yeah.
Kidneys. There are two bean-shaped kidneys inside our abdomen. They filter the blood and remove waste from it. These wastes are then removed from the body in the form of urine.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Preetham. So now this kidneys, it is present on the back of your lower back. Can you touch and see? It's behind. Okay, it's behind on the lower back. So what happens? This helps in mostly, you know, all the filtering of your blood and making sure your body is working in good condition. So that is why you should always drink lots and lots of water, because if you don't drink water, then there's something known as kidney stone which will form in your body. That is because lack of water. And then what they'll do, they take you to the hospital. So children, you shouldn't do that. Make sure you're always healthy, drinking a lot of water, drink juices, make sure you're always hydrated. Okay, we'll read bones. I want somebody to read bones. Okay, swastik. Yes, swastik. Just read bones.
Bones give shape to our bodies. There are 206 bones in our body that form of the skeleton. Bones protect soft organs. For example, the skull protects the brain and the
Ribcage
ribcage
protects the heart.
protects the heart.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we have, like, you know, one second. We have just 5 minutes. Actually, I prepared like a small PPT. Okay, you know what? We'll try. Okay, we'll try. Okay, this is choose the correct answer. Once there's very little time, I will stop to this one. Okay, the organs which can't be seen with our own eyes as they are located in our body. External organs, skeletal system, internal organs, respiratory system. Okay, who wants to answer? Zainab, do you want to answer? Yes, no, you got shocked. Okay. Yes, Zainab. What's the right
First, ma'am, the organs which
cannot be seen with our own eyes as they are located inside our body. I said. Tell me. Okay, I'll tell you. It's internal organs. Okay, so internal organs. Oh, I put skeletal system. Okay, you know what, children? Let's not waste time. There's something, my computer is giving me a lot of problem today. I think it doesn't want me to take class for section 3E. Okay, so now this revision that I just prepared, it has 6 questions. Okay, I'll be sending it as a PDF with the answers below. Okay, so once this recording is done, I will send it to you. Okay, so now I'll unmute because we have 3 minutes. So if you have any doubts regarding what we just read, our lesson, you can ask me. Okay, yes. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
One by one. Yes. Yes, Kanish.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
draw mannequin. Can I show you? Ma'am?
Okay. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a question. In the book, there was a liver. What is?
Yeah, actually what happened, I have some problem with that. I just have to check with the other teacher and I'll get back. Okay? Don't mind.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, everybody's calling only ma'am, but I can't hear you.
Ma'am, Sanshita.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, our whole body is important for us, ma'am.
Yeah, our whole body is important for us. So our brain, our heart, our stomach, and all these main internal organs, you know, they make your body move. So sometimes you have a tummy ache or something is happening. So you should know there's something wrong and you have to drink something or eat something in order to heal yourself. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to share a fact.
Sorry, I can't hear.
I want to tell you something.
Yes. Tell me.
Dolphins sleep with their one eye open and the other one closed. Their bodies don't want to make them die. That's why.
Oh, do you know how do the other fish sleep? They sleep with both their eyes open. So we don't know how the fish sleeps, you know. When you if any of you all have pets at home that are fishes, you can keep them, you know, whenever you sleep or
Because they
something,
don't
you
have
can check.
eyelids like us.
Yeah. So they don't close their eyes.
I have a fish.
They just sleep.
I have fish.
Yeah, you can observe those who have a fish at home.
Kanshika.
Yes, tell me. Okay, once again, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Ma'am, if they
1
cannot
minute.
close their eyes, how do they go
1
to bed?
minute. 1 minute. I will be sending you the PDF. Okay, we have 6 questions. I'll be sending you with the answers. So make sure you're writing that in your notebook. And yesterday's video, offline video, make sure you, if you want, you can, you know, download it from Campus Care and view it so that you can learn everything. Okay, now 1 minute.
Attachment.
Allow me to speak. Okay, we have less than 1 minute, it says.
Ma'am Kanshika.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
1 minute. For
Ma'am,
those
I have
of
a
you
question.
who want to
If you-
leave
Ma'am,
the
if
class,
you-
can leave the class. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so
Bye,
sorry my
ma'am.
camera is not
Ma'am,
working.
how's
I'm
it
making
going?
a video.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for coming.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. I'm leaving.
Yeah.